Okay, these are the recent rocks that I have found around here at Martin Luther King Boulevard, Washington County, Fayetteville, Arkansas. However, there is something, it locked up my phone. The flies are nanobot activity. No, they're actually nanobots. When they bite, they have a red beam. You see these rocks? All the shiny particles in there? Those are shiny. Demi Sue stuff will be mapped birth, voice identification, part 1. These will have something to do with the geomagnetic storm that is approaching. These have been growing in Fayetteville, Arkansas since 2020. Because before, when I looked for them, when I was looking for diamond stone up in here, and volcanic activity, I didn't find these. So in 2012, they were not here. But all of a sudden, they are here now. They're really common up around the bike trail. These particular ones I found over there by the creek, where they had dug it up. They almost look as if they were dropped. Perhaps for a mirror bounce off? Don't block me again. No, they're not.